पणजे महापालिकेचे मिटिंगेत काय विशयावेल्यान नगरसेवकांचे बरेच वाजले। महापालिकेचो परमनंट स्टाफ कामाक जड जाला, कोणाक आयकना म्हण महापौरूच सांगता। GSIDCन खंय सुमार 3 कोटीचे लायटीचे बिल भरिल्ले ना।
A staff who works here for 32 years, what he says, mayor 1 वर्साचो, councillor 5 वर्साचो, आमी सदां आसतले. So they are least bothered of what we say, what we do. And administration is completely low. 15 to 18 contract staff which are there, they are running the show. Common cadre staff can be transferred anywhere. DMA sends a letter to my shop. Last paragraph it says it will affect the 74th Amendment Act. I am surprised till that no 74th Amendment Act has come in any municipality or any corporation. One light bill is the name of GSIDC. GSIDC has taken a temporary connection during the time of construction. So the commissioner will write to the GSIDC asking when did you take the temporary connection and when did you hand over the new municipal market to CCP. So for that gap period they have to pay the bills. What is coming in CCP we will pay. But we have to write to the government to say that okay, if we are paying, don't charge us interest and compound interest for no fault of ours.
मार्केटातल्या दुकानदारांच्या रेंटाचो इश्यू अजून सुटना। CCPच्या नोटिशींक पसरकार रिस्पॉन्सूच दिनात आणि भाडे भरिनात। टेनंट्सांनी अजून एग्रीमेंट साइन केल्ले नात। हायकोर्ट नजर दवरून आसा।
I am sending a loud and clear message to all the market tenant association, our friends of Panaji. We are not against anybody. We want everybody to do business. You run a business, you pay the rent. We keep the market clean. We have to paint the market, which is 12, 15 years old. All lights are not working, fans are not working. You require money. So everybody should come and sign with their documents. If they are happy, we are happy. Who is stopping them? Which force is stopping them from coming to CCP and signing the agreement? I don't know. But I only want to say this will not last for long because the High Court is monitoring it every 3 months. You can't stretch it further.
प्रुडंटा खातीर सिनियर रिपोर्टर महेश गाडी आणि सुभाष खुटवळकार।